Hi guys, if you are looking at this video, you are probably wondering if you should go for an SEO agency or an AI agent to focus on your SEO, to improve your traffic on your website, to grow your business, basically to have more traffic, acquire more lead, do more sell. And so it's a very legit question to see if you should go for an SEO agency, traditional SEO agency with some humans that are going to help you grow your business, or if you should go for an AI agent that could handle your content production and your publication directly on your website and help you grow your traffic, your organic traffic over time in an automated way. So what is the key difference between an SEO agency and an AI agent? Basically, is the cost and the time to produce content. What's the main purpose of an SEO agency? It's creating content. Of course, they can help you optimize your website, create some backlink, optimize the structure of the website, create some internal linking. This is the kind of work that an SEO agency is doing. But most of the time, when a business owner go to an SEO agency, most of the time it's creating content on keywords that we don't already target, and creating new page on your website and try to attract the attention of user on Google. So when you go to an SEO agency, basically they are going to produce this content and they need some human resource to do so. They need some account manager to follow up the evolution of your website and to follow up with the relationships between this agency and you. They need some content writer. Most of them are freelance. And this is costly and it takes a lot of time. That's why an SEO agency, it's always between 3 to 5K per month. And you need to work at least with them for 6 months to be able to start seeing some result on your website. At the opposite, AI agent is very different. You don't need to have all this human resource. You don't need to have a content writer because it's the AI that is able to do the research and to publish the content for you on your behalf. And you don't need to have a relationship manager or account manager to follow up with you because you have directly the integration in the website with the AI agent. So this is really simplifying the process of communication, of content production, and on publishing on your own website at a fraction of the cost of an SEO agency. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can create some content, being able to produce some very high quality content on a regular basis every day, and the fact that you don't really need an SEO agency to manage this for you because now you have some specialized AI agent like Vume AI. This is the kind of AI agent that can handle all the content publication work for you. And what is good is that it's not just a ChatGPT. It's not just, you don't just ask ChatGPT, hey, write me a content about this. No, this kind of AI agent, they are extremely specialized because they know your company data. They are aware of your company data. You can set up your world business information, the target audience, the brand voice, the kind of communication that you want to publish online. And the other big aspect of Vume AI, it's that you have the knowledge base. Basically, you can upload all your information about your company, your product, your services, and you can feed and train the AI agent with your own knowledge. That means you can upload your own file about your service, your product, the kind of information that is very interesting for the potential clients, for the people that are going to visit your website. And this is extremely powerful because in ChatGPT, you don't bring too much information. When you ask ChatGPT to write an article, it's just going to write you a generic article about your content, about your niche, but it's not really dedicated to your business. This is totally different. Here, you can really send a lot of information to your AI agent, and it's going to perfectly understand your business and how to address your customers. So extremely powerful. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go in my AI agent content writer, and let's say that I have a website, e-commerce website about food supplement, let's say. So first, I'm going to ask the AI agent to bring me some topic ideas of interesting article that I could publish on my website. The AI agent is going to do the research in terms of keywords, volume, interest, and now we have already some interesting article. Okay, so this is generalist article about food supplement. Now I'm going to also write some article, for example, about curcuma, What else is interesting for our food supplement websites? Well, it depends, of course, about the product that we are selling, but I think this can be interesting. We can probably uh, di- so here we are doing some topic ID research. Okay, so vitamin D, I think we have some interesting articles, so perfect. So here we can see that I have the keywords and here I have the topic ID. Of course, I can change it if I want, but for the purpose of this video, I just want to show you how easy and fast you can create content for your website. So I'm going to just select some interesting topic. Mostly I'm going to focus on the keywords, so benefits here on vitamin D, deficiency, this one, I'm going to do it. Immune system, very good. The dosage, very interesting. Request, okay. Curcuma benefit, dosage, depression, joint pain. This is very interesting. Request to target on Google. Side effect, okay, perfect. By, okay, okay, okay. So in less than 5 minutes, we already selected 14 items. What I'm going to do now is to decide what kind of content I want for my article. Basically, if I want small article, long article, if I want some image, should I include some YouTube video in my article? We can customize everything. And this is where the value of the AI agent is really coming. That's mean writing 14 article like this 1000 word article, it will take probably 5 to 10 days for a human copywriter. Here, what we can do, I'm just going to select all the article. I'm not going to change anything in the norm. I'm just going to select the normal parameter and I'm going to write with AI. And so what we can see right now is all the articles are getting written. Basically, the AI is conducting a lot of research online. The AI is looking at your company profile and at the knowledge base to include all the important parameters, all the important information that should be seen in those articles. And the AI is currently writing all those articles. So it can take a bit of time. All these articles are written at the same time by the AI agent. So let's wait a bit. And soon we are going to see that those articles are ready to publish. They're going to come in this tab, ready to publish. And after, I will have multiple choice. So I can publish them right away. It's not really recommended for Google to publish 14 articles right away, especially if we have a website for some time and we never publish article on it. It's better to plan it and publish one article every day or one article every 2 days rather than to publish all of them at the same time. So let's wait a bit. And as we can see now, okay, our all articles are ready. They have been written. I can just check them. You can see that there is the key takeaway. There is some nice image. There is some list. Voilà, this is really relevant to curcuma. That's perfect. We have some table, comparative table. So you can see it's really deep article with high quality article. So what I can do is select all those articles, publish them right away. This is a demo website run AI agent. So basically I'm connected to my WordPress website. And if I want, I can directly publish all those 13 articles on my website. But I'm not going to do it because first, I'm not connected to a food supplement website. I'm connected to an AI website, so we don't do this kind of publication of non-relevant content on another website. But the most important is that I can plan them. And what I can do is I want to start publishing article starting today, and I'm going to plan one article per day for the next 2 weeks. So I'm scheduling, we wait a bit, and then it's done. We can go to our calendar and we can see that all our articles are now planned one per day. One article per day. Of course, I can even move those articles if I don't want them to be published this day. If I don't want to publish on Saturday, I can move them to another days. I can spread all those articles for the next month. And yes, so basically this is how easy it is with an AI agent to plan the whole SEO content strategy in like few minutes. Of course, we can go much more in detail with this tool I will make other video to deep dive more into the technical aspect of this, the settings that you can input with your AI agent. But I think you got the point. This is extremely powerful. And if you need to choose between an SEO agency that is costing $3K to $5,000, even more per month, or an AI agent that can automate your content strategy in with a very limited amount of input from you, and being able to automate your whole content strategy on your behalf, I think you really understand the point now of AI agent. If you want to try the tool, you can go to Vume.ai. It's free. You can start searching your topic ID and creating some nice article. You can do it right now. You can connect your WordPress and start publishing automatically without the need of having an SEO agency. I hope you like this video. I say thank you and talk to you soon. Bye.